Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used this BH Cosmetics palette. It's looking like a snack. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. I really want to play with this hot pink or neon pink shade at some point. Today I went with something a little bit more graphic. I thought it was really cool. It took forever because I got this side done, and then as I'm starting to do this side on camera, my husband showed up with one of his friends because they're doing this like training for the past 2 days at his job. So he hasn't been working from home, he's been at his job site doing this training. But yeah, when they showed up, it kind of threw me off because I'm filming in the middle of our dining room, so it was a little embarrassing at first, but I just got over it. It's like, whatever. We got our gas leaks fixed yesterday, which I was super, happy about. I've been pretty upset the past couple days with everything that happened over the weekend and just how it was handled, so yeah, that was fun. Everything's fine, we're good, everything's fixed, thankfully, so yeah. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. What am I doing? I can't remember my outro. Alright, so that was it. I really do enjoy these little palettes from BH Cosmetics. I think they're a great brand. They're really affordable. And yeah, you can't really go wrong with the price point on a lot of their products. So if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.